6:14, a man on the northeast side was worried his tax return was never filed.
Well, you could understand that. That'd be a little worrying, wouldn't it? He called his tax preparer, but he couldn't get an answer for months.
Then he called KENS. Reporter Andrew Moore tells us what happened next.
Gary Farris went to this rapid tax location back in March. It's located on Mid-Crown. He said he normally gets his tax refund in about 2 weeks, but this time that didn't happen. He was worried the business made a mistake, and it turns out he was right. But after KENS 5 got involved, the owner addressed the issue.
How many times do you think you've gone there?
More than I can count. I mean, I've been a loyal customer every year.
Gary Farris thought it would be business as usual when he went to this rapid tax location back in March. They finished the tax return quickly, and he was supposed to get a refund.
Within about a week and a half to 2 weeks.
But this year, it didn't show up. He then made calls, sent emails, and tried visiting the office.
I even left a note in their mail slot.
But he only ever got one email back, and the callback he was promised didn't happen. So finally, he called KENS 5.
I just don't want to have no problems with the IRS.
So KENS 5 hunted down the cell number for the owner of this location and gave her a call. We also found out this location has a different owner than the other rapid tax locations around San Antonio. When the owner looked into it, she found out Farris's taxes were never actually sent to the IRS. She then corrected this immediately and sent us a statement saying, "I found his paperwork and the return had not been filed as it should have been. I verified the tax return was done correctly. I'm going to refund Mr. Farris his tax preparation fees due to the return not being filed in a timely manner."
How does that?
That seems fair.
KENS 5 also asked the IRS if a taxpayer would face penalties for a late return. IRS spokeswoman Evie Ann Serbonis says if a person was already getting a return and they don't owe the IRS, they're normally fine.
For the most part, people that don't owe don't have to face most of the fines.
That said, if a person is worried a tax preparer made a mistake or they have concerns about their tax return, they can also schedule an in-person meeting with the IRS to fix it.
They can file the correct forms to file a complaint if they felt that their tax preparer did not offer the services they should.
Farris is glad he at least knows what happened with his return, and he's glad he called KENS 5.
Oh, KENS 5 helped out a lot.
And while the owner of this location did work to make things right, the IRS told us there are some red flags you should be aware of if you have not gotten your refund yet. Find out more about those at KENS5.com. For Call KENS, Andrew Moore, KENS 5.
So you know what to do. No matter what it is, you have a problem, give us a call, 210-470-KENS, or you can head over to KENS5.com/call KENS. There's a form there. Fill out that form. Please make sure you include your phone number. We'll make you a few calls, maybe see if we can't get you some help.